Hello, children. I welcome you to the second and the last session of the chapter, The State Government. So far, we discussed about Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council, and the way we have the President, we have the Governor at state level who is elected by the President of India. In case the Chief Minister and his party are not functioning properly, then they are removed and the Governor runs the government in that particular state. So the governor is indirectly elected and has a period of 5 years, and the governor is a linking pin between the president of India and the chief minister of the respective state and other ministers of that respective state. Now, how does a bill become a law? First of all, what is a bill? A bill is a proposal for a law. See, we need to frame new laws, we need to amend the old ones, right? So, first, members introduce a bill, a proposal for a law. Then the bill undergoes first reading where it is introduced, then a second reading where it is discussed in great detail, then third reading where no amendment is allowed, final review is done, final revision, and then if the bill is passed in one of the houses, say it is passed in Vidhan Sabha, then it goes to Vidhan Parishad. Again, first reading, second reading, third reading. If Vidhan Parishad also passes, then the governor signs the bill and the bill becomes law. So, for a bill to become law, it has to pass through various stages, right? It has to pass through the majority of both the houses. Any ordinary bill can be introduced in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, or it can be introduced in at state level. It can be introduced in Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad. But then money bill can only be introduced in Vidhan Sabha. Now, when the proposal for law becomes law, then the law is published in a book called the Gazette, and then it is sent to the government officials like the collector. And now the collector has a responsibility to implement the bill. The collector takes the help of the police, other officers to implement the law, the new framed law or the amended law. So assembly is a place where elections, where elected people sit. Vidhan Sabha or legislative assembly is a place where all the elected members sit and they make important laws. While debating, discipline has to be maintained, and this is the responsibility of the speaker, and if the speaker is absent, then the deputy speaker. In case of Vidhan Parishad, discipline is maintained by the chairman, and in case chairman is absent, then deputy chairman. Now, media also plays a very important role. Media plays a very important role in highlighting the issues, the problems of the people by questioning the government, and the government is answerable to the media. So, media acts like a pillar, and media helps to form public opinion, and also media plays a very important role in bringing forth the problems faced by the people. To avoid criticism by media, the government is compelled to work. So media plays a very important role in overall functioning of the state government. With this, I wind up and request all of you to take very good care of yourselves and revise the chapter well. Thank you and have a great day ahead.